Hi guys, I'm Frank. Today I'm going to see an unboxing video. Today I'm going to unboxing a Type-C cable and the price of the product will be 149 rupees. It is a rounded cable and the cable length will be 1.5 meter and the cable speed will be 480 Mbps. It is suitable for gaming consoles, smartphones, tablet and computers. It is a USB-A to Type-C converter cables. Brand will be Ambrane, type will be USB Type-C cable and the color will be black and white and the cable length will be 1.5 meter. Before I say it is compatible and suitable for computers, laptop, mobiles and tablets and they provided a 6 months of warranty. In the box you can see one Type-C cable. Okay guys, thanks for watching.